In some old houses, you may find a dusty radio still plugged in, humming faintly, though it shouldn't work. That's Object 163. Rule 1. Don't adjust the dial. The stations aren't stations anymore. They're voices. Some of them are yours. Rule 2. Never respond if it calls your name. The moment you speak, the static will match your breath, your heartbeat, your words, until the radio isn't just listening, it's answering. If you turn it off, sometimes it turns itself back on, louder, closer. People who try to smash it often find another radio waiting in their bedroom the next night, tuned to the same voice. So if you find Object 163, let it play. Pretend you don't hear it, because the second you listen too closely, it starts listening back.